Hello and welcome to this short guided meditation with me. My name's Jess. Let's take these next few minutes to pause, reconnect and breathe. Take a moment to find a place where you can sit comfortably. Maybe that's on a cushion or a bolster. Soften your gaze or close your eyes and allow your breath to guide you. On an inhale, pull your shoulders up towards your ears, and as you breathe out, roll them down and away. Do this 2 more times, moving with your own breath. Your spine is long, shoulders are relaxed, and your chin is slightly tucked. Now that you're ready, let's begin. Now is time for you to simply observe and relax in the moment. Start to notice your breath as it moves in and out of your body. No need to control your breath, we're just noticing here. In through your nose and out through your nose. Relax your jaw and your face. Allow your hands to relax. Easy breath in and easy breath out. Begin to notice the sounds around you. What can you hear? Just being present to the sounds, the subtlest sounds and the most prevalent sound. Paying attention in your most relaxed way. Now bring your focus into your hands. Simply observe the feeling in your hands. What can you feel? Is there a tingling in your hands? Or maybe a warmth? Where attention goes, energy flows. Take a slow, deep breath in. And a slow, deep breath out. No need to rush. You have all the time in the world. And when you give yourself permission to pause and observe, you can stay neutral. From this place, there is no need to judge or react, simply witness and observe. Each time you breathe in now, say in your mind, here. And each time you breathe out, say in your mind, now. Breathe in, here. Breathe out, now. Inhale, here. Exhale, now. Here, now. It's time to let go of your mantra. Let it effortlessly fade away. Let's take one more deep breath in. And one more breath out. Starting to bring yourself back into this moment. Maybe you want to start wiggling the fingers, drawing circles with the wrists, and keeping to a steady breath. Maybe you want to roll the neck from side to side, bringing yourself back. Let's finish this practice here with one final deep breath in together. As you inhale, reach your arms up. And as you breathe out, relax your hands down in your lap. Slowly open your eyes if they were closed. And that's it. That's the end of the meditation. Thank you so much for joining me. I really hope you enjoyed it. And as always, have a wonderful day.